Hi friends, this is NMK Vijay. Welcome to my YouTube channel Forex Surfers for analyzing the major pairs and commodities. So before we start into this week analysis, so this is my disclaimer. So this channel was started for an educational purpose only, not for financial investment, and I am teaching how to analyze the Forex and commodity markets and how I am trading them according to my personal view with Elliott wave theory. So this view may change for each Elliott wave trader, not the same view as mine. You can learn Elliott waves, and even I can also learn more from the experienced trader through the comments in my post about Elliott waves. So I keep learning the market every day. I won't trade according to the fundamental sentimental. I will trading and traded with 100% technical only, what I learned from the books, video and some personal experiences. So this channel is fully based on Elliott waves and technicals only. My ambition is to create an awareness to the traders who losing still and lost the money because they are treating this business like a gambling. So I am not asking any investments and not conducting any classes for teaching Elliott wave theory and not having any social media group like WhatsApp, Telegram and Facebook Messenger. So only I am doing as a free in YouTube only. So be cautious and beware of the fraudsters. So these are all the watch list regularly what we are doing. So first we will get into that DXY. So DXY, what I expected is this is the W. So I think I have already shown you that my positional view. So this is the W in double bracket, and that 5-way corrective pattern is the end of the third, and we are in the fourth, and it could be a double bracketed X also. So in an expanded flat here, irregular flat. So after this we need to be trade for the Y wave, but that Y wave is also looking like the WXY pattern. So this could be also a 5-wave corrective structure in this for the Y. So here is the end of the A, B and C, or it could be a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 is ended. So this could be a W also. So again we need to trade for the X wave, for the connecting wave, for this bullish swing here in the everything is in a diagonal pattern. It's a ABC, and again if everything it comes under in the three waves, it's called as a diagonal. So this is the end of the Y wave. So we are in the Y wave. So that could be a 5-way structure, what I am thinking in the positional view here. So the whole 5-way structure will be a corrective pattern. So we are in the downtrend. So this is a correction. So the correction would be a ABC and followed by the connecting wave, and again one more ABC has to happen. But here each wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 got an ABC. So in this pattern, this is a 5-way structure. I am thinking like that. How we are doing this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In each wave we will get ABC. So this is also a 5-way structure here, what I am expecting for the Y wave. So that is my positional view. So what I thought is the end of the W, and we need to trade for X. So I am thinking it would have come to this zone for here for the 96, or it could reach this zone also in the channel here. This is a bullish channel. So here is the intermediate channel. Whether it could take a support in this channel, or it could break and there is a major support zone. So either it could be a X from here also, that we can't say here. So right now we need to, short term is bearish, so according to that we need to trade the X wave. But here I'll show you the 1 hour. From the past week, what I said is the W is over and X, another three-way structure is completed here, and one more three-way structure has to happen to break this high for the regular flat. If it didn't break this high, there is a chances to make a triangle also. So this becomes A and B will be here, and then again C has to fall. So here I will show you. So this is an A, so this is a B, is called, if it break this high, this is a simple regular flag ABC correction, and again this fall has to happen here once it broke the high. But till now it's not yet broken, so there is a chances for making a triangle also. So if it making a triangle means, again so once again this will happen. So this becomes A, this becomes B and C. Either it's a W or X and ABC to the Y wave. So I'm expecting this price action, but this I will show you here. Here it's a very impulsive wave, and after this is too messy and we can't, and sorry, I am not able to wave count this one. I am not able to labeling this. It's a simple, it's looking like a channel. It's a very range bound. So what I am thinking is, just I won't trade this DXY. According to that, Euro USD will move. So Euro USD also I'm just leave that pair, because there is a no until clear direction here. So everything is in range bound. Once it broke this channel with the exertion like this aggressively, then we will come to know. Otherwise, if it falls from here, so or it will get rejected from here. If it didn't break this, so that will be a triangle also. So again we need to look for the rejection from this zone, but it don't want to break this low if it is a triangle. So if it is a triangle, then A, B, C, D and E, and then followed by a Y wave or a C wave here. So that is my view this week. So right now it's not a clear direction here, so I am not able to trade that Euro USD in the safe side. So let's move on to Euro USD. Same thing here also, it's all messy. So if it is a W here, ABC is one more W, X. If it is a Y wave, I think one more wave to the downside will be ahead, but it don't want to break this low. So if it didn't break this low, and if it is an aggressive movement, we will get this kind of wave formation here for the Y wave, for the complete correction, and then again followed by a downward movement. So again here to break that 1.034. This is my weekly positional target to break this low 1.0340. So need to break this low. So here what we have to do is, I think what I said in the previous video also, we will get lot of time lapse here. We need to get, because it's a if it is a W X and we are also trading for the bigger X, so this is the end of Y, means we are in that Z way to the downside. It's called as a 5-wave corrective structure. So this is could be at the 4th, and here one more X has to happen, and then again 5th has to complete it to the downside to break that 1.034. So right now, same like a DXY is the inverted one. So if it is break below this channel only, we need to think, and we need to watch this price action. So if it cross above this level, this is a 4-hour anchor here, it's a major support resistance. If it broke this, then we will see to here. But if it won't break this low. If it didn't break this low, there is a chances for making that 1.250, or it could be another bullish swing also. It will follow above this zone also. Here the continue buy, it's a WX. Y will be a bigger one, or it will be again messy Y and then again WX and again ABC Y. So I'm just thinking here, it's a lot of time taken. It has to happen because of that bigger X wave. Like this kind of X wave has to happen here. So this X wave is also, see here, there's a lot of messy things, and then only it will shoot because of the Y wave here. The intermediate, it's a W, so this is the X and this is the Y wave. So still now we are in the X wave. So once that X wave is completed, the Y wave will shoot. Otherwise, if it break this low, so that will be a irregular flat in X wave, this intermediate X wave. So if it happen, then we will see that this kind of wave formation from here. If it broke this low, there will be a irregular flat, and then it won't break this high. If it is an expanded flat only, it has to break this high. So still now we are in the correction. It's not in a clear direction, so stay away from this. And next we will move to the USD CAD. USD CAD is also an interesting zone. What I previously thought is it could be a running flat, and it has to happen to fall to that 3.6, but it already took this high. So I told, if you are in the downtrend, you need to place a stop loss here and target for this 1.36 zone. In this zone I said, but this was triggered. Now we are still now bullish for the short term. It's not for that positional. So I'm just thinking it has to fall down to 1.34. That is my target. So these are all the intermediate waves here, all corrections. This is also in correction, so it will took more time than this. This is an impulsive wave. So this kind of impulsive wave has to happen from here. So this is the correction. In this correction, these are all the impulsive waves, and this impulsive waves, it's a bearish for the short term, and this is also bullish for the short term. For this correction, for impulsive wave, we are in the correction. So mind that we are in the correction inside the correction. So it will took time, and it's a very messy, and trading is very difficult to trade here for the in safe side. So these are already broken the channel, but even though if it is broken the channel also, there is a lot of chances to make this kind of irregular flat or running flat if it is an AX here, it has to fall down. That is my previous trade setup, but it already broken this high, means this is a new impulsive now, and this could be in wedge formation now. So this is become X. ABC is completed here. So one ABC is over, followed by the correction wave, connecting wave, and then again one more followed by ABC. So this is an correction in the impulsive side is over. Now we are in the correction for this impulsive wave to the downside for the short term. So what will be the structure means, simply it's ABC in the three-way structure. So what I am thinking here also, this is it's a A, B, C. So here is a A or W. So for here it's looking like all three waves. It's not looking like this kind of impulsive wave to the upper side. So what my trade plan is, this could be a, I'll show you here. So three-way structure. Again, this is also a three-way structure. Here is also a three-way structure. So everything is making three-way structure, means it's not yet completed the correction for this upper side move. Because if it is an impulsive, either ABC is A, so we are in that still B wave. So it could be a triangle also here. Second, it didn't break this low, so there is a chances for triangle. So A, B, C, so it could be a D and then E. So followed by here is a triangle pattern, and again it will shoot to that 1.43 for this zone. Here the previous support zone, now it's a resistance. So this could be a triangle also from here to here. This is a connecting wave for this impulsive wave. Or either if it is not a triangle, if it broke this high, means same this kind of wave has to happen from here to here. So either we need to be aware of this zone. If you need to sell, you can sell here with a stop loss of this high as a stop. But I will inform that right now for current this week I am looking as a B, C, D and E. So if it didn't break this low, if it is a triangle, if it broken this a D wave high, you can take a trade as a stop loss of that rejection E wave. For that 1.43 is a guaranteed assured profit for this if it is a triangle. Or if it is not a triangle, if it came to this zone and again it will be keep message of 3 waves, means that could be also a Y wave. So again it's not compulsory to make a triangle. This is a possibility only what I am saying. So again it will move. See here it's a and again it's a B, C. So that will become W. So again followed by a three-way structure as a X for the connecting wave. Again there will be a bigger movement for A, B, C to complete that one structure here. So here ABC is over, another ABC is over. So this is a flat correction. So once the three-way structure is completed and again three-way structure is completed, so there is a lot of chances to make a Y wave to the downside. So this is my view for that USD CAD. Either it could make a triangle or this could be an irregular flat of running flat in B wave. Whether if it is a B means C has to be an impulsive in 5-way structure, or whether if it is it's a W means this becomes a X. So A, B, C could be a WXY also. So here in this I will explain you. This is looking like a 5-way structure, but it's not a 5-way structure here. It's a C way is looking like a 5-way structure, but there is a small ABC here, A, B and then followed by C. So C is in 5-way structure. Here is a small AB is here hidden. So this is not completely 5-way structure. Only the C way is a 5-way structure, and here is a A, B. So once A, B, C is a A or W, whatever it is, if it moves in the 5-way structure or ending diagonal like that, it could be a C wave also, or it could be an W means here X means again 3 ways followed by what I showed here. So that is my view here. So this becomes a short term bullish. Otherwise it is a range bound in the triangle and then it will break out. So this is my view in HughCat. So positionally what I'm expecting here is the 1.33 or 1.34, like here in this zone I'm expecting, and this is also yeah, this is a channel trend line bullish. So that is what I'm expecting. This zone has to retest and then only it will shoot. So just it already get ready for that. It's a bigger triangle also here, so that if I have explained that you will get confused, so no need for that positional view. Right now the short term I have explained. So according to this week is a short term bullish, or it could be a range bound for the triangle, and then next week we will get the breakout. So next we will move to USD CHF. So USD CHF also what I did is, if it is an A, so B and C has to break above this. Now it's already broken this high 9798, so it's a high made of 9802 here, and now we are in that. It's a completed one correction here. ABC is finished here also on ABC. So what I'm thinking now is whether it could fall to this zone to break this low, because it's everything is 3 ways completed. So ABC is the A, so again ABC is a B, ABC is a C, so this becomes W. X means again ABC has to follow by the 3-way structure, or if this whole thing becomes a A, so if this can be a B also, again C has to be in 5-way structure to break this, and this is an intermediate support zone here. So the whole thing is a W here, and X we are in the X wave. Or if it is looking like a, once again, so this looking like a W, X, this could be an Y also here. So here could be a end of this correction, or if it is still ahead, again it's making a 3-way structure, it didn't broke this low, means this could be again a triangle also. So A, B, so B can travel above this A wave, this is the A wave, B wave, C, D, and then E. After that it can do like this. So once the completed correction, then it can fall downward. So this is a lot of price action has to come here. We need to understand. See, now this week I am telling it could be a end of that correction and it has to fall down. But here if it makes a 3-way structure, if it didn't break this low, there is a range bound market. Whether this could be a whole thing become a triangle, if it is a bullish triangle it can shoot above also. So mind that. I will explain here, just listen carefully. See, this is a W, so we are in that X wave. So what here is, this is I did as a smaller W, so we will make it as a bracket for here, and this is without bracket. So now it's a A, B, C, because it's already broken this high. So that is a valid for that, for completed for the Y wave. So again what we have to do is to trade this Y wave. So this is not that much simple here. What we are expecting, the market won't do like that. So here is the end of that x wave, bigger x wave with the bracket one. Here what lot of things happen is, what I am saying is, now this week I am just viewing like this, but lot of views is ahead here. If it broken this high also, this could be an A. Once again I will remove all those things. Again this could be a, then it can shoot here of the triangle. So this becomes again Y wave, sorry X, and this is the intermediate Y wave. After then only it can fall like this. So that is one more possibility, and the another possibility is it can come to this to break this to for the value of X wave. So that is one more possibilities. And the next possibility is the whole thing, if I am placing this as a W, so this becomes a A also. Okay, this becomes A also, and the whole thing becomes A. So here is a B, C, D, E, and then it will took off from here without breaking this law. So what will happen here is, this whole thing becomes a triangle, and it can shoot from here itself. So this W becomes here as a, so for this W, this is a X wave here. So here is a B, here this, because it's already broken this high, so this becomes B, C, D, and E. So this becomes a triangle, and then this is called as a bullish triangle in X wave. So there is a lot of chances. What I am trying to explain to you is, it's not for trading, it's for educational. What I am trying to say is only for the learning purposes of Elliott waves, how I am doing the analysis and how I am taking the trade in the safer zone, safer way. That is what I am explaining here. A lot of possibilities is there. Now I just simply I am explaining the three waves. Three possibilities is there here. So how we have to trade means, just simply what I said is, whether it is the end of that X wave here, we need to trade for to break this low, or else it has to be a triangle also. So if in the possibilities we don't look for this as a target, just exit before if it breaks this low. Exit your positions. Don't wait for to achieve all that profit in our desk. If you looking for this wave, you will get rejected from this zone, and then it will do like this consolidation, and then it will took off. So first we have to think what are the characteristics of the X wave got. Here is W is finished after our analyzing. So this is the W. So what are the possibilities the X wave can do? We have to think in that kind of various possibilities. Then only you can took the trade in the safer zone. So this wave is a very possibility thing. So you have to trade only this one. Again, if it's doing like this, keep on messy means the whole thing, it can break this also, and then again it may fall. So what of the structure, it's a B, C. So we are in that B wave structure here for the intermediate. So that B wave can travel not only above this also it can travel. So if you are placing the stop loss here to make the for the shorter, for the expecting the C wave, you will get stopped out here, and then again this will give this kind of wave here. So these are the possibilities. Once you have to taking the trade, you need to analyze what the structure of the wave and possibilities. Like that only we have to trade. See, right now we are in the intermediate B wave, or say if it is a W, it's a X. So what are the possibilities for the X wave? So we have to think about that. Then only we have to take trade. And these are all the intermediate waves. See, these are all the intermediate waves. So bigger picture, we need to trade that this W. So X. So X, it could be a triangle, irregular flat, anything can happen in this structure, in this X, that character of the X. So what are the characters of A, characters of B? So everything you need to first note it down in the paper. A means it could be a, if it is a flat means A, B, C. A can 5 waves, B can 3 waves, and C is a 5 waves. Or it could be a wedge formation of C, 5 waves and ending diagonal, whatever it is. So that what it happened here. See, C is a 5-way structure. So A, B, C, A is finished. So A, B, C, B is finished. C is a 5-way structure. Again, here it's a B, and again C. So whether the A is not clear here, so that is what I have placed it as a W, or this portion the W, and X, A, B, C is finished here. So lot of the things we need to trade, and we need to labeling before enter into the trade. See, this kind of structures. Simply we know this is in a range bound market. See here, it's a wedge pattern. So once it broke means we are in the correction. See what it happened, it's already took the break. It's a high and then again fall in the 3-way structure. It took all the stops. So once this wave is completed, whether it is an A or W, so what are the characters of X? X can go above this high, so it took all the stops here, and then again it fall. So once it took that high means that it's a chances for irregular flat. So whether it could make a low of this or making without this breaking this low also. So if it breaks the low, that will become a expanded flat. If it didn't broke means that is a running flat. So that is what it here happened. So this is a clear picture. So this is a corrective structure. And then again see, you took that. So if it is a W, this is a X. So A, B, C is over. So Y, and again followed by 3-way structure X. Again A is a triangle B, and C. So Z is finished. So now that it seems one correction is ended. So like that only we have to do. See what I am trading, what I am giving here is just an analyze how I am analyzing the market through the Elliott wave theory. So it may be a little bit in the shorter time frame. You can label it as a W, I can label it as a A. See, these are all, the labeling is not that big a drawback. Just for understand the market structure. So if somebody is placing as a W, somebody is placing as a. See, this is, you please leave these labelings. Just we need a market structure. So this kind of structure, so what will we do? Whether it is an A or, sorry, if it is an B or X, the structure remains same. The character is the same. So what did happen? It's a 5-way structure. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. But you don't ask the question here if it is a 2 means a 4 is that. I'm just explaining it's a 5-way structure. Or it is a 5 swings. Here it's also a 5 swings. So simply for understanding for myself, I am labeled it as a A, the B, So C is completed and it's already took the high. So simple ABC. See, every time it's not looking like a clear formation. Like this kind of formation will messy. You need to label this, then only you have to understand the structure. It's simply we are looking like a messy, and then we will see afterwards means you, if before that waves started, this kind of, once you are in too good in correction, then only you can catch the impulsive waves. Try to understand, once you have too good in correction of labeling the corrections, then only you can catch that impulsive wave. It's not that much easy to catch the impulsive wave. See, once it's finished only, then only we catch that. See how aggressive it's falling here in the 15 minutes. So if we understood this character, so we will enter making the stop loss of this. Then only you can catch this kind of impulsive. See, whatever it is, you just watch. Don't trade this structure. Keep watching, and like this you have to catch this. So let's move on to the next pair, USD JPY. It's very messy here. Nothing did from the past. I think it's a 16th April from here to here, and I am having a buy position at 108.4. 108.4. You know well about that. If it comes here, I will exit. What I say, my plan was there only. If it is a, so this becomes B, and C. If it comes to above this level, I will exit. But what happened here? I'm just last week, I thought it could be at least if it comes here, I will exit in break even. But see, if it is a triangle also, we won't get above this level if it is a triangle. But even though you see that structure of the triangle is very messy here. So now this is a possibilities of coming to the downside. If it is an A, B, see, I'm looking for the C at least here in this zone, but it did same. But maybe what I'm saying is next time also it can come to this zone also. But here there is a lot of chances to make a C here. C is here, D and E is finished here, means once again just I'm explaining the example only. There is a chances. One second, I will switch to the 1 hour. See, there is a chances to make here to this wave. I'm expecting here this zone for the C wave, but there's a lot of messy overlapping. The price action is nothing here, so there is a chances for low also. So that is why I'm splitting my entries. So if I get from here 108.5, last time I got an idea for triangle also. So if it comes to that zone, I will exit. But even though that zone is not also possible right now, if it comes here also, again there is a chances for making another triangle also here. Or if it is an A, B, right now this low is not yet taken this low. So whether it could be what I said in UCHF, the whole thing what we are trading is an I labeled as a W, sorry A, it could be a W also. So the whole thing becomes a B, C, D, E. It can took off from here itself. So we have to think a lot of possibilities, then only we have to take a trade. And the positional, it's become a one more what I said is if it is comes here, and again for the E wave, again it has to come to this zone. Again we need to exit because the positional view is looking like a triangle. I have explained that last week. Sorry. See, we are in that positionally correction. So this could be if it is a triangle, it didn't broke this low. So A, B, so this could be a C also, and we are on the D, E wave will be a small, and again it can fall. So if it falls here, that could be a B, C simply. So a lot of chances is there. Or one more is this whole thing becomes A, B, C. So if D is finished, if it comes for the E here, from here itself it can take off. So lot of chances for making a triangle. If it is a triangle, that it could be a bearish also, bullish also. So only once if it broke this low, we considered it as a bearish. Once it took the high or this high, but this is a valid high. If it took only, we come to know, okay, this is a bullish triangle, so it breaks out to the upper side. So here trading USDJPY is also very tough to trade. Here for the intermediate way, we can manage, but we need to understand this, what are the structures here. So let's move on to the next. And one more I will add this week, because the crude is already done to zero for the used oil. I will explain that. So we will go to that one more pair I just added, USD Singapore dollar. So that is also very good. So first I will explain you my positional view. So this is a 5-way structure. A is completed, whether it is a 5-way or a 3-way. ABC A. So B, C is a 5-way structure, is completed here. So once this, as I have marked as a W, so this is an expanded flat X. So we have to travel that Y wave. So Y wave is also here splitted into that WXY. So in that scenario, so this is an W, and same thing what I have said is irregular flat. This is also an irregular flat. So X, A, B, C is finished. So now it's become a Y, or it's, you can make it as a double bracketed W. So we need to be another 3-way structure to that here in this zone. I'm expecting this, or it could be another bigger 3-way structure also. So right now the bullish is over here, X. So this is a 3-way structure. So it could be an shorter term Y is completed. So another, we are in that 3-way structure to the downside, whether it could be a bigger one or it could be a smaller one. So in that case, next we have to trade in that 4 hours. 4 hours, it's looking like a one structure ABC is finished, and another ABC, another ABC. So everything it is in 3-way structure here. So like that UCAD, what I said is whether it could travel above this to make another, if it is an end of that, this is a W, this is a B, C, or, and again we need to trade A, B, W, sorry, whether if it's a WX or ABC, and another bigger A, B, C. This kind of swing, if we draw, it's very simple, but if we trade in this zone, that is tough. I will explain here. See, this is one ABC is completed in the shorter time frame. So I will make it as a blue. So one ABC is completed. So whether it is a and this becomes a B, and C is finished. So if we switch to the 1 hour chart, this C is also looking like a 3-way structure. It's not a 5-way structure. 1, 2, 3, so 4, 5 is here. So sorry, it's a 5-way structure. Here it's completed. So here A, B, C, A, B, C, B, C. So sometimes what I thought is here the A, B, C, A, B, C, B, C, A, B, C as a, B, C as a B, the whole thing becomes C, means that is also a possible. So here ABC A, but it's clearly showing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I may be wrong also. It's a 5-way structure, or whether it could be a 3-way structure. So in that scenario, here is another wedge pattern is ABC is finished. So one more ABC has to happen here. So in that case, this is the short term looking like a bullish in the 1 hour, and then it could make a one more low to here. So what it whole thing becomes, it's a W, X, and one more ABC for the Y wave. So this is my view here. So anyway, what I'm trying to say is, if it comes here or if it broke the high, we can enter in long. If it comes here also, we can enter here, but making the stop loss is very difficult, because positionally what I'm thinking is it has to a downtrend. So if we buy here in this zone, making a stop loss here is what the structure says. If we are looking for that one more wave, so this becomes a W. X can travel below this, and then again it will took off, and then again it will come down. So in that case, if it broke this low, there is a low chances to break this high, because if it is an expanded flat only, it can move above this wave. If it is a running flat, it won't come like this. It will do, in case if it do like this, at least we will exit in our break even. If we bought here, at least we will get into the break even. I will trade like that only. See, because the structure of the X or B wave can travel below the A wave or W wave, and then again it will come to our zone where we will enter here for the long. We have to exit here if it is a running flat, and there is a chances for making this low. So within this channel, it will within this channel. That is why we have to trading this, and we need to draw lines also, channels. That will help you a lot. But only after this price action has to complete, then only we have to. Otherwise, simply in previous, this channel becomes like here. So we already break this channel and retested here. So right now we are in that bullish. But here, if it didn't break this high, that is why I am telling, if it breaks this high is only that option for bullish. Positionally we are on the downtrend. So first you have to understand, trade that smaller lot size in that correction and the opposite side, and play bigger lots in the trend following side. So if it is a bearish, means if it comes here, what you expected, do that big lots here, make a stop loss here. So like that only we have to trade. And if you playing that stop loss as here, same what I had did, what I told is a W, means X can travel above this. So and again it will took the stops. So placing the stop is very, very important, what the structure says and what are the characters of the structure and the wave X or B. So what are the characters of that wave? You have to you must have to understand that. Then only you have to place a stop. So right now this is my Singapore dollar USD Singapore. So right now I'm just expecting at least this wave to buy here. I won't place a stop loss, and if it comes a regular flat, running flat, I will exit my position. Or if it followed my structure, means we will get a profit. Either this zone is a strong, now it's already retested lot of times here. So this zone is my profit zone for the shorter term buy, and the longer term short is 1.38 is my target. So understand that what I am trying to say is analyzing about this, then you have to take a trade. So let's move on to the Australian dollar. So Australian dollar is a very interesting zone. Now it is in that downtrend, the 4-hour down, in the weekly or daily. So weekly is in downtrend only. Still we not yet broken this high. Only if it broken this high only it's considered as, and the channel has to break. This channel has to break. So weekly is a downtrend. So daily is a short term bullish. But right now beyond that resistance zone, what I placed this trend line. So exactly here it is making get rejected here lot of times. So just we have to watch how much time it will took here to get rejected, or it will broke. If it broke means here is a channel, or here we already broken it seems, and it's closed above this. Let's see, because sometimes this wick is also making a resistant also. So let's see how it will move. But right now what I'm saying is it's little bit to the downside only what I'm expecting here, because it's a simple one. ABC is over in this zone, ABC. So I mark it as a WX. ABC is a X wave. So if it is the end of the X wave, again one more ABC to the downside to break this low. Or if it isn't bullish, if it broke this high, then that will consider as a bullish for the short term, but it has to break this high, then only it will consider as an bullish in the weekly. And right now here I will explain you in the 1 hour. Here is the one more ABC is over. So again ABC. So it's looking like here it's could be that this X wave could be an expanded flat. This kind of flat I'm expecting, because everything it is in the 3-way structure. So one ABC and again ABC, again ABC. So this whole thing becomes a WX. I'm expecting to the downside. That's what I have drawn here, the lines. So we have to wait for this zone. Once it broken this low, that is confirmed to the downside, at least we will get this 5-6 zone here. Or if it broke this high, then that will consider, and then again what will happen means again retesting will happen. Then we will took for buy for that 7, this one, sorry 6. The next resistance zone is 6. So let's see how it. My view is it's maybe a running flat here. Sorry, it's a expanded flat in X wave, bigger X wave. Yeah, here also it's looking like a 3-way structure, bigger 3-way structure. So here also 3-way structure. Not yet it broken this high 6407, 6406. It's not yet broken. So let's see. So this is my view. It's a WX. So we need to travel for that Y wave to below, or if it is a triangle also, it can make a bigger triangle. So what will happen means this W. So this become A, B, C, D, E, and then this X becomes here, and then it can fall below this level. Or if it broken this 7 means that is a bullish wave. So that is the end of the double bracketed X wave. So let's move on to the New Zealand dollar. So New Zealand dollar also same. What I'm looking here, this could be an A. Is a complete 5-way structure here. So again it's a 3-way structure. Here also 3-way structure. So what I'm expecting here is little bit downside, and then it can come to this zone here, or this is in a 5-way structure also. So this W becomes here also, because A, so 3-way structure a B, 3-way structure as its this becomes a W, X, so A, B, C. So this could be an end of a B wave also. So if it is a B means here is a running flat. What I am thinking is here is a running flat. So it can follow to break this low. Or if it making a one more structure to the downside, and again it will break this low also, that is also valid. Again what will happen is B will go like this, and again it has to be in the C wave. So here once again, yeah, it's looking like a 3-way structure. So let's see what it will happen in that coming week. So right now this is also in variation only. So because it's a completed that one ABC or a WX ABCY. So I'm just looking only for that downside here, because it's a 5-way structure here, it's completed. So we are in that B wave only. Still, that how much time it will take, that is most important, and whether it is a B wave is ended here or it will make another complex correction in the B wave, then it will coming to the downside for that C wave. So let's see whether it could be an ending wave, ending diagonal also in the C wave. The starting of the ending diagonal will be like this only, keep on messy. That is what I switched into the 15 minutes. Let's see. So next what we will do is UCAD, New Zealand, Euro USD, so GBP USD. So GBP USD also same, everything's like keep on messy here. One time it's looking like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whether it is an A wave or this could be A, B. So C is in 5-way structure. If it is a A, so again what I did is it could be an A, B, C. So C in that scenario is a very shallow, so that is a possible. So anyway, if it is a A wave means we need to travel for the B wave, or if it is in simple one A, B, C is over means it becomes a W and we need to travel for the X or B, then it has to shoot for the another way to the upper side. So right now we are on the correction. So the correction will, whether it is a 5-way structure here or a 3-way structure, or it could making a triangle also. So we have to wait for the clear path here. Without clear path, if you don't know any idea, don't trade, just watch. Watching is also saving your capital. So right now that's what I have explained here, whether this could be a bigger one, whether this could be a bigger 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is a bigger 3, 4, or whether this could be a 5-way. So if it is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 means this becomes A. So if it is a A, we are in that B wave. So B wave is trading is very tough. So just watch, listen the wave and understand the wave structures. Then you have to take a trade for that C wave to trade. Or if it is a B, C is over here means another A. So B will come here, C. So that becomes a B, C means it's become a W. So that both the X and B is same character. So anyway we need to trade a correction, then it will took off for that C or Y wave. So this is my view. Or if it is a simple correction, if it is ended also, there is a lot of chances for X wave to end here also. So in that case we are in the downtrend. You just remind that also, keep in mind. See, in the positional view we are in the downtrend, so it could be an end of that ABC. A means this could be a simple correction in X and then again follow to break this low also. So mind that, but in the daily time frame I need a lot of corrections here, then only it will come to the downside. So right now just keep in mind, this could be a, if it is in a 5-way structure there is no problem, because B and then again C has to come to this zone. Or else if it is an A, B, C is a shallow means C, lot of times it happen now, so there is a chances for making a downtrend. So keep in that mind. I won't trade the GBP pairs, and next we will move on to that Bitcoin. So Bitcoin also I have posted that it could be a here, this could be a triangle here, and it's already I bought it here at a 6.8 and place a stop loss here at a 6.4 in this zone, and I booked the profit here itself. It shooted, but I exited here because it shooted and then again immediately it came down. So what I did is here I exit my position here itself at 7.5. I entered at 6.8 here in this zone, and I exited at 7.6 or 7.5 here in this zone itself I exited. So now what I'm thinking is, whether if it is an A, B means C has to be in 5-way structure, so whether it could be a 1 and we need to take the 2. So what I will do is, sometimes what will happen is C is very shallow, what I said, right? So that if it is there means if it is A, B, C, then again it followed by the downside only. So I exited here itself. If it broke this high, I will again enter in the pullback. So mind that if it broke this 7.7 or approximately 7.8, then only I will enter again for the target of 9.2. But the positional target for me is 9.2 only. Sorry, it's not positional, it's a short term. So that is what I have entered here. It's at least 9150 to complete the X wave. So previously I stopped the place, the stop loss at 6.5, and once it did this wave, I bring the stop loss here, and then if I exited here itself. So now I am keep on watching this. If it broke this high, I will enter in smaller position only. Then if I get the pullback, in the pullback I will enter another entry to add my position with the stop loss of, we have to trade, because if it is a triangle means this is the end, so we have to place the stop loss here, because this is a C wave means this is a wave 1. So in that case wave 2 can't break this wave 1 low, so we need to place the stop loss here, and I will enter here one split, and then I will enter in that pullback, then I will enter with the stop loss of this for the target of 9.2 or 9150. So there is a, I have already posted that about the Bitcoin. See, just have a look here. I will keep on updating in the trading view. So if you are following me in the YouTube, you can just create an account in the trading view and just for following me for the updation, for learning how that waves are keep on moving. See, already before that I have already, I already posted that I am thinking like if it comes to this again it can shoot, but what it happened here is it's a small E here, the smaller E, and then it took off. So that this kind of analyzing only we have to do. The triangle pattern means we will place a stop loss. If it is a irregular flat, that stop loss is best for us. It will hit the stop and then again it will come to our target to hit. So next we will move on to that gold. Gold is also very difficult to trade nowadays because it's in higher. What I thought is it don't want to break this high. If it does means that could be an irregular flat also. So same thing I explained in this last week also. This could be a 5-way structure or 3-way structure is a A. So B can travel above this A, and with the help of that fib retracement level of 1.272, it could travel up to 1770 also. Here, this zone. So still now I am waiting for that zone. Whether here also the wave counting is a very difficult. It's not difficult, but placing that A or a W, whatever it is, I will show you here. I will remove this fib retracement. I will explain, you just keep listening here. I have placed the alternative wave as a W, A also. So first I will explain that as a W, for the W, blue color W. If it is blue W, this is a X and A is finished in the 5-way structure. So if it is A means next followed by the B, and C is a 5-way structure. So that is what I have explained here. 1, 2 followed by the 3 interway structure is expanded in the 5 ways is a 3, 4, and the 5th way is an extended. So I have labeled it as a 5th wave. So if it is a blue wave W means Y is ended here, and according to that fib expansion level also exactly here A, B, C is exactly at 1 above this 786 to 1. So this is also a valid Y. So if it is the end of the Y here means we need to trade this wave here. So it has to come to this zone in a 3-way structure. So in that case, this could be an W, X, and again A, B, C has to come to again this zone or 1550 zone with the help of this fib expansion level for the target. This is the end of the B wave. Sorry, it's a Y wave. So I have placed it as a B. So C at least if it is an 1 or 78.6. If it is 78.6, it has to come to that 1550, or if it is a 1 level means it's a 1490. So this is what I am expecting, but in that alternative wave I will explain you here. So we previously saw that is a W. Now we think it as a red color. Okay, so B is ended here. C means once the A, B is over means C is a W. So X. So whether if it is a B, C is a 1 also. 2. So if it is keeping as a 3, it's a 5-way structure. It's a 3 and 4. So 4 could be a triangle also. So that is what I have drawn here. If it is a 4th wave, it could be a triangle also. So if it is a triangle, then again for the 5th wave it has to end here. Or next scenario in that red label also, it's a 2 possibilities. If it is a B, C means it's a W, so followed by X. So sometimes see, I will hide this labelings. This looks like a 3-way structure. If we get enter into that labeling, so it's looking like 5-way structure, we are forced, or it's looking like a 5-way structure, or it's looking like a 3-way structure. So in any case, if it ended here, it's a B, C, or if it is a W, X, A, B, C means the Y is ended here. So again, what if it Y is ended here means another way to the downside only. But it has a chances for making a Z also. So in that case, if it is a Y, W, so AX, again Y has to follow in that another three-way structure. So that is one more possibility. So in that case, if it is a W, so this is an Y, so this is an X, so A, B, C. So that is one more chance. And one, if the whole thing becomes a W means here is X, red color X, whole thing A means B is also a chances to make a triangle, or the B is ended here, we are in that C wave. So anything I am looking here is break out, or it can travel to the downside. So what we have to trade means just waiting for I am breaking this high, or I am waiting for this low, or it has to break this low, and the channel, if we are out of the channel, there is a lot of possibilities to the downside. So I am just waiting for this 1650 has to break, then only I will take the trade for the downside. If it is the upper side, I won't trade, because buying in the higher zone is very, because if it is a fifth wave, it's a very shallow also. Third wave, fourth wave, and the fifth wave is very little if it is a triangle. So we have to watch and wait for this price action here. So no trade here for me in a safer side. So if it comes to that 1770 zone, after watching only I will enter. Blindly I won't enter. If it goes from here itself to 1770, I won't enter. I need a little bit price action and what kind of wave formation is doing here. If it straightly from tomorrow, from the Monday, if it reached that 1770, for the intraday purposes, for $5 to $10, I will took the trade, because of that will, for the 1.272 is the 1770. So at least you will get that rejected zone. At least we will get at least $5 to $10 for the rejecting, but immediately we have to book the profit. Or if it is making here, it's a triangle or whatever it is, then I won't watch this zone price action, then only I will took the trade. So no buy, only sell below this or sell above that 1770, but I'm not sure about from here. So next we will move on to the silver. Silver is the same. What I explained here is ZW, X, Y is completed, and still now we are in that channel, but it's again the break out of this channel and retested here, and again if we are in the retesting this channel itself, it's not sustained above, but the trend line is, we are in the above trend line. So there is a still chances to make for 1620 or 16500 for the fifth wave, or a Y wave or Z wave, whatever it is. Still we have chances to make the high, but I won't took a buy here, because it's a $1.3 is there, but to the downside from here to here there is a lot of chances to 13,200. So nearly $2 here is. So here is a $1, 1.3, here is a $2. So right now for me it's the same like gold. I won't trade this zone, just keep on watching this price action here, and I will took either buy or sell. It all depends upon that price action here. For me it's look like X is ended, so means A, B, C has to trade. So if above means we will took it for intraday, above this high we can trade, but you know about the price action, what kind of price action is doing here, whether if it is a is ended, B is ended, means at least C wave, in that C wave making as a stop loss here for the 14,500. If you enter, at least if you know that correction is ended in that B wave or X wave, then only we have to try to take in buy with the stop loss, but you need to place a strict stop loss of 14,500 here for the target of 16,200 to 16,500. So either it could make a high also to this zone also. So still a room is higher below is also same, but we need to watch this zone. If it broke this high, then if it is a pullback, or if it is an correction is ended, still now it is not breaking this zone, means definitely we can go for buy here. So this is the silver, and what I did is the US oil. It's already went zero, so there is nothing. Elliott wave is here. It's not working here, so it's already finished. So right now what we have to do is, and one of my friend and the forums and in the web pages, and one of the friend had told me that WTI COUSD. So now just I'm watching this one. So I need to, before that 3 days before only I got this, my friend has told we need to watch this one. It's not US oil, but I don't know what we have to do, but still I'm having the positions, you know very well. But it's still IZ market, its low is 3.4. It didn't went negative, still I'm holding, and they have warned also it can go negative also. So please be the margin, to keep the margin. So still now I'm holding. Just I took the 5.5, and then I booked at 7.5, and $12 I booked the profit. So right now I'm having above that 14 levels, and the 18, 20, 25, 30. So my average is still same, $30 is average. So I'm just keep on watching this WTI COUSD. So in that case, just we look on this, because my hope is, and my everything is gone here in the US oil. It's virtual, so nothing is there. It's a zero, means how can we label it? See, from the past 5 years I'm watching that US oil, but right now somebody is told, it's my friend and that group community member had told this WTI COUSD, you have to watch that, not the US oil. So I'm not so satisfied, but even though if there's also a lot of chances to go to the downside, nothing will work in this, all fundamentals. That's what I told every time. Elliott waves or any strategy work with only the 60 to 70%. Rest of them all fundamentals. Fundamental only boost our technical anything. See, I keep on expanding from that 15 or $15 like this from here itself. I told it has a chances to make one more new low also, but I don't know, I didn't expect that also. Zero. But US oil went zero, but WTI same structure, but it didn't went zero here. That is what why I'm here. The low is $11. So according to this is a very rough figure only. So I'm not going to concentrate it only this much. If it is a fifth wave for me, it's looking like a final wave. So 1, 2, so whether it could be a 3 beyond the fourth wave. So still one more way to the downside is possible according to this WTI COUSD. So I think the West Texas oil here. So let's see how it moves. So I think I covered everything. Once again we check that. Yeah. DXY, Euro USD, Australian, New Zealand dollar, USD, CAD, USD, JPY, CHF, GBP, USD, Bitcoin, gold, silver, and crude. Yeah, we finished everything. So I think you enjoyed my analyzing, and have a nice day, and keep very safe trade. Everything is in consolidation. So just keep watching and catch that impulsive wave, what I said and what I have mentioned, everything. So don't trade aggressive in these markets right now because of the corona pandemic, everything. So trade safe. Have you enjoyed my analysis? I think so. So thanks for watching my video, and thanks for your valuable comments. So have a nice day, and see you in the next week.